Hi, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today I'm going to make a frame tray with the Dollar Tree ornate frames. It looks like nice English look to it. I thought like I'll make some nice tray and so I can put some jewelry or maybe I can put like a candle stand. And these are the two frames I got from Dollar Tree. And what I did was I removed the back of it and I had another frame, back of the frame which came like this with a nice, silver tone to it. So I thought like I'm going to put it as a back of this one. So I opened it and I cut the square and then made it as the back of the frame. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use like this pearls which I got from Dollar Tree again, and I'm going to make it as a stand below, and I'm going to cover to give a nice look like this in the back, so it does look like a frame. And I'm going to attach some pearls, to give a decor look. Okay, let's get into the video. Hi, I'm trying to stick this yellow foam piece on the back to give a nice look in the back when they turn. And I'm actually giving this frame to one of my friend, and she likes my artwork, and I want her to keep guessing what this is actually made of. So I don't want her to see this is a picture frame in the back. I want her to guess. So this is the back. I stuck it neatly, and I'm going to stick these pearls as a stand. I'm going to do the same for this one too. I want her to put the pearls like so. Like that. Actually, I want to a long strip, so I don't want to use the remnants. I can use the remnants for some other craft, but I want to give a neat look, so I'm using a single straight strip every time. So this is the final look, you guys. She can use this as a jewelry stand, or maybe she can use this as a candle stand, something like that. She can put candle, or maybe she can put some jewelry of hers. So this is the final look, you guys. I think you enjoyed my video. If you liked my video, please subscribe.